Taiwansamye Temple. It's been very popular recently, trending online.
This is currently Taiwan's tallest and largest prayer flag. They symbolize the wisdom and compassion of the 5 Dhyani Buddhas.
Why are there so many sisters here dressed so beautifully?
They're wearing traditional Tibetan attire for a very important ceremony. We're preparing for the end of the year, the Great Pranjana Paramita Heart Sutra ceremony.
The outfits are designed so beautifully. It's my first time seeing this.
Can I take you to visit a special guest? Every year around late autumn, it comes to our temple. And every time it comes, it walks into our main hall by itself, pays respect to the Buddha.
So, Rinpoche, why did you build a model home?
It's so lively here.
All these volunteers you see are painting these decorative panels that will be used on the windows and door frames when the main hall is completed.
Oh, so they're for decoration, right?
Yes, all hand-painted.
But we still welcome anyone interested in planting good karma to come and paint with us.
Planting good karma.
Oh, that's the key point.
Yuyan, don't you think this path is very serene?
Yeah, and the weather is great today. The sunlight filtering through the trees feels so soothing.
Yes, it's quiet and beautiful here. I noticed many colorful flags of all kinds. Yes.
Yes. Let me tell you, just a few more steps and you'll see even more flags. 3, 2, 1.
Is this it? It looks spectacular.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yes.
This is Miaoli's very popular photo spot. People come here to take photos.
But I think it's more than just an art installation. It must have its own significance, right?
Oh, definitely. But I was wondering who to ask. Oh, look over there.
That lady, she seems like she'd know.
And she's dressed so formally. She must know about this place, right?
Yes, let's ask her.
Let's go ask her.
Hello, sister.
Hello. Both of you are dressed so nicely. Hello, I'm Yuexing, Sister Yuexing. Hello.
You're dressed so formally. You're not just here to take photos, are you?
Oh, I'm a volunteer here.
A volunteer here.
And also a yogi at the Taiwansamye Temple.
Samye Temple. It's been very popular recently, trending online. I've seen so many people coming here to take photos, right? But I believe many people don't really understand much about this place, right?
What is this called?
This is currently Taiwan's tallest and largest prayer flag.
Does this have a strong connection to Tibetan Buddhism?
Yes, it's a very iconic landmark.
What do the colors on it represent?
It has blue, white, red, green, and yellow. Each color represents a different meaning. Sky, clouds, fire, tree, and earth.
It's like representing the entire world.
Yes, they symbolize the wisdom and compassion of the 5 Dhyani Buddhas.
There's also a connection to the Buddha.
Right.
And there are also words on it. What kind of script is that?
Yes, it's printed with some mantras, and as the wind blows, the blessings of the mantra spread to all beings.
So how do we pray here? Like this, or...?
Yes, we can walk around the prayer flags 3 times clockwise, or 5, 7, 9, or even 10 times. Even 108 times is fine.
We pray by walking in circles.
Yes. If you know how to chant the 6-syllable mantra, you can chant it as you walk. And if you don't know how to chant, you can also chant Guanyin Bodhisattva or recite the Buddha's name. Or even just quiet your mind and walk in silence. It's all fine.
The view here is amazing. There's no forest blocking the view.
Right.
It's hard to imagine that this platform here offers such a beautiful view.
Yes, the main hall currently is under construction. On the site behind us, you can imagine in the future it will be 21 meters tall. And when we stand in the main hall, we'll be able to see the Holong River and the entire estuary. It's incredibly beautiful.
The scenery is stunning.
The feng shui is excellent.
So when you have time, remember to visit Taiwan's Sanye Temple and walk around the prayer flags.
Really? After walking a few rounds, it feels like good luck is coming our way.
Good luck is coming, yes. Wishes come true.
Why are there so many sisters here dressed so beautifully?
They're wearing traditional Tibetan attire for a very important ceremony. We're preparing for the end of the year, the Great Pranjana Paramita Heart Sutra ceremony. The celestial maidens are rehearsing now, and on the day of the ceremony, they will come to make the offerings.
They walk so gracefully and in perfect harmony.
The outfits are designed so beautifully. It's my first time seeing this. Wow, this place is so beautiful.
Yes, this is our Taiwansamye Temple's current preparation center.
This looks truly magnificent.
Yes, this is our main hall, Padmasambhava.
And the ceiling and walls are adorned with exquisite paintings.
Yes, these were specially painted by artists we invited from Bhutan.
Well, what language is this?
This is Sanskrit. It's the heart mantra for Padmasambhava.
Chanting, it brings a sense of good fortune. It's like a blessing.
Yes,
Can you chant it for us?
I can, but I hope the Rinpoche will chant it for you.
Oh, yes, we're here to meet him.
Yes, okay. Shall we go to the second floor to meet the Rinpoche? Yes, this way, please.
Hello, Rinpoche.
Hello.
This is my first time here. I was just outside and I noticed your surroundings are so beautifully designed.
Yes,
It brings a sense of peace to my heart.
it slows you down, right? This place is quite special. For everyone who comes here for the first time, it feels very welcoming. It's like a piece of Tibet. Because in Taiwan, many people want to visit Tibet to make pilgrimages and worship the Buddha. But when they come here, it feels like they've already arrived in Tibet. Exactly, but why did you choose Miaoli for this location? Because at the beginning, when I came from Nepal, I came with a friend and I liked it, so I stayed. Then my teacher told me to stay in Taiwan and spread the teachings here, so I agreed. From Jiayi to Taichung, I've been to many friendly and suitable places, but when I first came here, I finally decided on this location. Because of its convenient transportation and geographical advantages, it's a very suitable place to build a Buddhist center or temple. Yes, it's in the mountains and you can even see the sea. It feels so peaceful. Yes,
And I heard that you're planning to expand further and make it even taller, right?
yes. In Taiwan, when I first arrived, I noticed that when buying a house, there are sometimes model homes, right? This is a model home. So, Rinpoche, why did you build a model home? Look at the temple's windows and many other areas. They're all painted, handcrafted, yes. When the main structure is built, can it be done like this? Just like this. It took me about a year and 6 months to complete. Bit by bit. Yes, but in the future it will remain and won't be demolished, because after 14 years, the colors outside haven't changed much. We haven't done much maintenance, but it's still standing strong. There haven't been any issues. I'm really looking forward to seeing it completed. It's being built step by step. The Rinpoche is truly a warm and kind master. Like curious children, we asked all kinds of questions, and the Rinpoche patiently answered each one. I was curious about the exquisite statue of Padmasambhava on the table, and I learned that when Taiwansamye Temple is completed, there will be 10,000 such exquisite statues of Padmasambhava enshrined in the 10,000 Buddhas Hall on the second floor. The purpose is to allow devotees to plant seeds of merit for themselves and all beings. Speaking of planting seeds of merit, Sister U.AMAZING mentioned that there's another very meaningful activity here.
Wow, Sister U.AMAZING, it's so lively here.
Yes, there are so many people. What are they busy with?
This is our activity center. All these volunteers you see are painting these decorative panels that will be used on the windows and door frames when the main hall is completed.
Oh, so they're for decoration, right?
Yes, all hand painted.
Everything is done by hand.
It's so beautiful. Everyone is so meticulous and
Yes.
focused. And I noticed we also have representatives of 5 colors here.
It's very beautiful. What's the current progress? How far along are we?
About 1/3.
That's a lot already, 1/3.
1/3. But we still welcome anyone interested in planting good karma to come and paint with us.
Planting good karma.
Oh, that's the key point. But I believe it's not just freehand painting. There must be some instructors, right?
Right, we have some senior members here who guide us in painting. Our general manager, as well as our experienced brother Mi Hong and brother Yu Long, also come at scheduled times to help with the painting at the temple.
I can't wait then.
All right, let's give it a try.
Over here?
Here, please. When we come to this activity center, there are markings on the painting boards. Then we can start painting along the lines. Fill it in, okay? It's okay, take your time. If you accidentally go outside the lines, we can help you fix it. But the main point of the painting here is to calm your mind and paint slowly.
There's no need to rush. Just immerse yourself in this world. So here, you paint slowly.
Yes, you can give it a try.
Sure. I have to say, seriously, the entire painting process is really therapeutic because you're so focused on applying the colors and you hope to add color to the future Taiwansamye temple. So I'm very focused on the brushwork. And Uyan, with his keen observation skills, noticed that behind us were artists wearing Bhutanese attire, specially invited from Bhutan. The Buddha statues seen in the temple are all created by them, especially the eldest one here. He is one of Bhutan's top 4 artists and has been awarded a certificate by the King of Bhutan. No wonder the paintings on the walls are truly majestic.
While we were painting earlier, we heard them. What are they doing?
On the 10th and 25th of every month, we hold a Tso offering ceremony.
What is a tsok offering?
It's similar to a ritual held on the 1st and 15th of the lunar month. Yes, so they're currently holding the Tso offering. And did you notice that here, there's something familiar? Take a look at our eaves.
It's what we were painting earlier, right?
Yes.
The door frames. We were just laying the foundation, the most basic first step.
Yes.
So beautiful.
When the new building is completed, our mark will be there.
Yes. There's one more thing. Can I take you to visit a special guest?
A special guest?
I think I know. When we were walking over earlier, we were admiring the colors of the building, and there was a bird.
Sitting there.
Hey, you noticed it.
Yeah, it was sitting there for a long time, right?
Yes. Every year around late autumn, it comes to our temple.
Every year? It comes at a fixed time?
And every time it comes, it walks into our main hall by itself, pays respect to the Buddha, and then it goes to the Wealth God Hall to pay respect as well. Yes, it's so cute.
That means our temple is filled with positive energy, which attracts it to come here. Let's go take a look.
I feel like today has truly been an eye-opening experience, and I'm really honored today to meet the Rinpoche in person. He is truly wise and very kind. He feels like family, but also a respected elder. It's a very special feeling. He makes me feel very at ease. It's truly special, and he mentioned that we're building a new temple. I'm really looking forward to seeing how it will look once it's completed. It's going to be so beautiful.